Calendly Tutorial for Beginners, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Calendly. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to calendly.com, which is a easy to use and simple appointment and scheduling software. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Started at the top right over here. You can use one of the supported sign-ins like Google, Microsoft, or Apple, or you can sign up by your email address. I'm going to continue with my Google account over here. So we're just going to click on sign up over here. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google. And now I'm just going to use my Gmail account to be linked to my Calendly account. This also enables you to sync up your Google Calendar so you don't have any clashes within your appointments or bookings. Now, after that, you're going to choose your Calendly URL. So what URL do you want to be using for your Calendly account? Maybe this is going to be like a therapy clinic. So I'm just going to add therapy clinic like so. And then this is unavailable. So we're going to add therapy clinic, whatever name it might be, Jane's Therapy Clinic. And then we're just going to click on continue over here. Once we click on continue, we are just going to continue once more. And now after that, you're going to set your normal hours. So whenever you're setting your availability hours, these are the standard hours that you are usually available on. Let's say the standard working hours for your therapy clinic are maybe 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. We're going to add those timings, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. as our standard working hours. These are going to be our standard availability hours. Don't worry, we can override these as well. But these are what we're going to set these as. So we're going to click on continue, and we're going to have a interview scheduling kind of day-to-day work role, and we're going to click on finish over here. Now after that, this is going to be your simple dashboard where you're going to find a simple little event type, which is going to be a template event. It is just to help you get started. Now you're going to start setting up your event types. Now we're going to click on this over here. You're going to select what kind of event you hold. So if it's going to be a one-on-one meeting or a group meeting, so if the kind of appointments or bookings you do allows you to see multiple people at once, you're going to add group. But because this is like a therapy clinic, we're going to add one-on-one. We're going to click on create. You're going to add event type, which is going to be, or just simple consultation would be fine. Then you're going to add what kind of location it would be. So it's going to be online, Google phone call, Zoom, Microsoft, or in-person meeting. We're going to add that at the in-person meeting at the clinic. So you can obviously include your actual Google location. You can add that on the map as well. Then you're going to add your description or instructions. Please arrive as scheduled. This is a simple consultation for evaluation of your mental state. So whatever is the description of the kind of event you're going to hold, you're going to add that, and then you're going to have your event link. Then you're going to use any one of these colors to indicate what kind of event this is. Then you're just going to click on next. Now after that, you can have your date range. So the date range is basically when you can accept meetings, how further along in the future you can accept meetings. Usually the standard is 2 months ahead, so people can book you 2 months ahead in time. If you want to reduce that, you can. I'm going to go with the simple 2 months ahead. You can also add business days specifically as well, or within a definite range. I'm going to go with the 60 days, or you can even choose to be booked indefinitely into the future. After that, you're going to add what kind of duration you have for your meeting. So let's say a simple consultation lasts up to 45 minutes. We're going to add that. And then you're going to add what kind of hours you are going to be offering for this kind of event. So for this simple event, I'm going to be offering working hours, but you can also click on set custom hours and then set custom hours for a specific event as well. But we're going to continue with the standard, and then we're just going to click on next. And now our simple event has been created. Now, if we go back onto home, now you can see our simple event has been created, and I'm just going to delete this template event that has been created by Calendly. And now after that, you can see these are your event types. You can obviously, after creating your initial event, you're going to be creating more event types. Then you also have scheduled events where you're going to be finding all of your upcoming, pending, past, and overall events that you have. Then you also have your workflows, so you can save time with your workflows. So this enables you to automated emails to people that have booked you. You can send a reminder to people. You can have a text booking confirmation. So a lot of the times, if you worry that you're getting booked without having, actual clients or customers, people are not showing up, then you can also have a text booking confirmation to make sure that these are legitimate people booking you. Then Then you also have a text reminder that you can send, or you can also email your own surveys and send a thank you email to the people that have showed up to their appointments. So this will enable you to add a very customized and personal touch to your overall booking system, and this enables you to really have a very nice automated scheduling system, which also gives your customers a feel that you really are putting in the effort into contacting them and reminding them of appointments and sending follow-up requests. You can also have reconfirmations. You can also have a text cancellation notification as well. Now, after that, if we move on to the next section of our homepage, you have routing forms, which is a new section. So you can click on new routing form, and then you can create a simple routing form, like which could be a questionnaire or survey. And then you're going to click on create form. And now you're just going to click on add question, and now you can add some simple questions to make sure that you have all of the data and information required beforehand before someone shows up for a session or for a appointment. You can have all of their basic information beforehand. That will enable you to reduce the time it takes within the appointment to get to know them, and you will have all of the basic information that you need to have for them to be able to actively participate within the event type or within the appointment that they have. So that is how simple and easy it is to use Calendly. Now, if we take a look at the pricing of Calendly, the version that I'm using is absolutely free. You can connect your Google account. You can have one calendar connection per person. Then you also have one active event types. You can create unlimited one-on-one events, and then you cannot do certain things like collective one-offs or create group events or send your invitees email reminders and follow-ups. But if we take a look at their professional version, starting at $12 per seat per month, or if we take a look at their essentials version, which starts at $8 per seat per month, you get features like creating group events. You can send your email reminders and follow-ups, and then you can also have your cancellation policy be updated. You can add links to your confirmation pages, and you can also view metrics and reporting. And then on the professional version, you get more features like automated workflows. You also get meeting notifications via text. You have customized email notification and reminders, and other features like collective one-offs as well. Then there's also a Teams version of Calendly starting at $16 per seat per month, where you get more added features, more professional features, and then there's also a enterprise version for which you will have to contact Calendly for their basic features. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to set up your own Calendly account and your own appointment and scheduling setup. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.